Today I received the ASUS VivoBook Slate 13 OLED from Amazon. Yes, it is a mouthful. This was unveiled during the 2021 Wow the World launch event from ASUS. ASUS's website has two slogans for it. Your PC, your OLED TV. Not exactly sure what that's supposed to mean. And the other one is the world's first 13.3-inch OLED Windows detachable laptop. Oh wow. So let's see what it's inside. Okay, so that's to include a sleeve. Okay. This, I imagine, is the power stuff or the pen. This does include a pen, ASUS Pen 2.0 with a 4096 pressure sensitivity, and I believe this also comes with 4 interchangeable tips from H all the way to 2B, which corresponds to the regular pencil hardness. This is the tablet. Okay. From what I've seen on other videos so far, this probably holds the keyboard. Lots of packaging. I guess it's a good thing they didn't copy the Apple way of packaging in this case. Went their own way, which is always good in my opinion. Yes, this here is the keyboard and also the stand, because unlike the Surface Pros, the kickstand is not built into the tablet. It comes separately. And this is the keyboard, which kind of looks like the Surface Pro keyboards with the smart connector. I believe the keyboard though are not backlit. And somewhere here, I imagine, will be the tablet / detachable laptop. So OLED, yeah, 70% less harmful blue light, Intel quad-core CPU up to 3.3 gigahertz. We'll come back to that in a second. Full-sized keyboard and the pen. So all their marketing material online is all about the screen of these things. OLED. So all the marketing material for this guy is gaga over the OLED screen, right? And ASUS is implicitly, if I can say, targeting this as a consumption tablet device. Some documents here, but I'm not so sure if Windows is the right operating system for a consumption tablet. That category, I think, comfortably is owned by the iPads. This is the charger. So this is the 65-watt charger, USB-C. I do not believe this has any Thunderbolt. It's 2 USB-C, 3.1 generation 2, headphone jack, nothing on here, just the power button, smart connector. There's a camera in the back. So I want to use it, or at least try to use it in a business setting and see if this can be a viable low-cost alternative to the Surface Pro lines. This is $767 for the 8GB RAM and 256GB storage. It includes the keyboard and the pen, but the CPU is that hole for the camera, and this is how much it looks. Not a very useful angle, really, or range of angles, I should say. So I'm curious how this CPU performs. I am not expecting it to actually perform that great. Maybe as a RDP client, as a thin client, so to speak. Will it work out? I'll find out. So for now, this is how this tablet / detachable laptop looks. They have got some interesting stuff in there, I guess. Uncage your possibilities. I doubt it. With a CPU that has a pass mark score of 2800, whereas the Core i3, the last generation Core i3 in the Surface Pro 7 Plus, or no, not even the 7 Plus, the regular 7, the 10th generation, I believe the Core i3's benchmarks close to 6000, and that's not a very usable machine in a business environment either. So why ASUS chose to pick up that M600 CPU for a tablet that they're saying it's for work and play, I don't know. So I'll do a follow-up video with my experience with the tablet. Thank you.